welcome to maths class. You all know that we are going through chapter number 10, that is measures of weight, and we have already covered all the topic from this chapter. So in this video we are going to solve some exercise from this chapter. But before watching this video, you have to watch the previous video, in which video I have discussed all the topic from this chapter. So let's start to solve. First we will solve the maths from exercise 10.3. Question number 1, add. So you have to add all of these quantities. You have already learnt how can you add the kilogram and gram. So from this question I will just solve one question, but you have to solve the other questions. Question number 16. Kilogram, gram. So you have to start addition. This is just like addition of 2 and 3 digit number with carry and without carry. So you have to start addition from the right side. 0 plus 0 is 0. 9 plus 5 is 14. So 1 will carry here. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 9, 14. So 14 cannot be written in at a particular place. So 4 will come here and 1 will come here as carry. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 1 plus 2, 3. 39 kg, 440 gram. This will be the answer. Okay. So from this addition, I have just solved this addition. So you have to solve all other questions. Next, question number 2 and 3. Question number 2. Rahim bought 8 kg 250 gram mangoes, 2 kg 500 gram apples and 1 kg 200 gram grapes from a fruit seller. How much fruits did he buy from the shop? So he bought this much kg mangoes, this much quantity of apples, this much quantity of grapes from a fruit seller. So you have to find the total quantity of fruit. Total quantity of fruit. That means you have to add all of these values. Okay. But first of all, you have to written which information is given in the question. Then you have to do addition, and then last of all you have to write the answer. Next, question number 3. I hope all of you can solve this question. So I am not solving this question. Question number 2. I will solve this question. Question number 3. The weights of 3 boys are 45 kg 500 gram, 48 kg and 38 kg 200 gram respectively. Find out their total weight. So first of all you have to write, these are the word problems. So first of all you have to write which information is given in the question. So the weight of first boy. What is the weight of the first boy? 45 kg 500 gram. Next, what is the weight of second boy? 48 kg. There is no gram, that means 0, 0, 0 gram. Next, the weight of third boy, 38 kg, 200 gram. So you have to add, you have to find the total weight. You have to find the total weight. That's why you have to add all of these quantities. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0, 5 plus 0, 5 plus 2, 7. 700 gram. Sorry. Next, 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. So 2 will carry here. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. So 131 kg, 700 gram. This is the total weight. This is the total weight of 3 boys. This is the total weight of 3 boys. I hope it is clear to everyone. Next, we will solve the questions from exercise 10.4. Here some subtractions are given, and in your previous class you have learned properly how can you subtract the kg and gram. So from this question I will just solve one question, that is question number 16. kg gram. 17 kg 388 gram minus 9 kg 450 gram. So we will start addition from right side. From right side we will start subtraction also. 8 minus 0 is 8. Okay, 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 minus 4, but 3 is less than 4, so we cannot subtract 4 from 3. So this 3 will borrow 1 from 7. So 7 becomes 6. And this 3 will become 13. 13 minus 4 is 9. 938 gram. 6 minus 9, but we cannot subtract 9 from 6. So 6 will borrow 1 from this one. So 6 will become 16. 1 becomes 0. So 16 minus 9 is 7. 7 kg 938 gram. This will be the answer. Okay. Next, question number 2. On Eid, Rahman bought 10 kg 250 gram of sweets. He distributed 8 kg 350 gram of sweets among his friends. How much sweets was left with him? So on Eid program, Rahman bought this much quantity of sweets. So from that sweet, he distributed 8 kg 350 gram of sweets among his friends. So how much sweets was left with him? You have to find the remaining quantity of sweet. That means we have to remove this much quantity from this much quantity. Then you can find the how much sweet was left with him. So total quantity, first of all, Rahman bought 10 kg 250 gram sweet. He distribute 8 kg 350 gram sweet from this sweet. So that you have to find the quantity of remaining sweet. That means we have to remove this much quantity from this much quantity. That means we have to do subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 5, 0, 2 minus 3. But 2 is less than 3, so 2 will borrow 1 from 0, but 0 has nothing to give. So 0 will borrow 1 from this one, so 0 become 10, and this 2 will borrow 1 from 10, to 10 become 9, and 2 become 12. 12 minus 3 is 9, 900 gram. 9 minus 8 is 1, and this one will become 0. So 1 kg 900 gram. This much sweets were left with him. Okay. Next, question number 3. A tin of vegetable well is 15 kg 800 gram in weight. If empty, 2 tin weighs 1 kg 350 gram. Find the weight of the weight of well in the tin. So the weight of the tin with oil is this much. Empty tin weighs this much. Find the total of the oil. So except the weight of empty tin, except the weight of tin, empty tin in the tin of vegetables oil is the weight of, well, আমরা ভেজিটেবলস একটা টিনের টোটাল ওয়েটটা টিন অয়েল সহ ওয়েট দেওয়া আছে 15 কেজি 800 গ্রাম, আর এমটি টিনের ওয়েটটা দেওয়া আছে 1 কেজি 350 গ্রাম। এবার আমরা এমটি টিনের ওয়েটটা যদি টোটাল ওয়েট থেকে যদি মাইনাস করে দেয়, তাহলে আমরা কি পেয়ে যাব? সেই টিনের ভিতরে কতটা অয়েল আছে সেটা আমরা ফাইন্ড আউট করতে পারবো। ওকে, দিস ইজ ভেরি কোশ্চেন, ইউ হ্যাভ টু জাস্ট ডু দ্য সাবট্রাকশন। Next, we will solve the questions and answer from miscellaneous exercise. First question, the smaller unit of weight. You know the smaller unit of weight is gram. Next, 1000 gram equal to 1 kg. This is very easy. Question number 2. Convert into kg and gram. Some gram are given. You have to convert this in kilogram and gram. In the previous classes, you have learned how can you convert the kilogram in gram into kilogram and gram. So first of all, you have to watch the previous video from this chapter. Then you will watch this video and complete this maths. Otherwise, you cannot complete this maths and you cannot understand this type of question. Okay. Question number 2, 9111 gram. So you have to convert this into kilogram and gram. So that means you have to divide by 1000, because you know that 1 kg equal to 1000 gram, and gram is the smaller unit, kg is the bigger unit. So when you need to convert the smaller unit into bigger unit, যখন smaller unit থেকে bigger unit এ যেতে হয় আমাদেরকে divide করতে হয়. Okay, so আমরা if we divide this by 1000 দিয়ে আমরা এটাকে divide করব. So this will be 9 kg 111 gram. Okay, next 8008, this will be 8 kg 8 gram. This is very easy question. Okay, next question number 3, arrange in columns and add. You have to add all of this quantity. First of all, you have to arrange in column and then you have to add. You have learned well how can you do the addition. How can you do the addition? So question number 3 and 5, I am not solving this addition and subtraction. You have to do this by yourself. You have to do this by yourself. Question number 4, the weight of a book is 1 kg 250 gram and that of a geometry box is 1 kg 220 gram. Find out their total weight. How can you find the total quantity? You have to just do the addition. If you will add this value, you can find the answer. But first of all, since these are the word problem, first of all you have to write which information is given in the question and then you have to solve. প্রথমে একটু লিখে নিতে হবে. First of all, you have to write the weight of a book is this much quantity, the weight of a geometry box is this much quantity, then you have to write the total weight, then you have to add this value and then you can get the total weight. Okay, question number 6, Shita bought 12 kg 450 gram sugar from the market. She consumed this much quantity sugar. How much? That means Shita কিনে আনছে এতটা সুগার মার্কেট থেকে, এবার সেখান থেকে সে কনজিউম করছে, খরচ করে ফেলছে 8 kg 250 গ্রাম সুগার. তাহলে কতটা সুগার আর পড়ে আছে? How much sugar was left with her? Sita bought 12 kg 450 gram. She assumed 8 kg 250 gram left sugar. That means you have to remove this much quantity from this much quantity. Then you can get the answer. 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 5, 0, 2, 4 minus 2, 2, 200 gram. 12 minus 8, this will be 4. 4 kg 200 gram. This is 4 kg 200 gram sugar was left with her. Okay, so I hope all of you can understand well all of these questions. Who have already completed these questions in your book, then you will solve this question in your copy. Okay, you will solve this question in your copy. I hope it is clear to everyone all of the maths from this exercise. So you have to solve all the questions and all the word problems from this exercise. But if you have any queries to understand any question from this exercise, you can ask me. And if you have any doubts from this chapter, from chapter number 10, you can ask me.